Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial? Please do write in the comments section. In this fifth lesson, I will cover the last 6 German alphabets today from Y to SZ. This is an overview of the 6 alphabets. In English, the alphabets end after Z. In German, however, we proceed to have after Y and Z 4 special alphabets, which we call in German the A umlaut, the O umlaut, the U umlaut, and the S set. So let's look into the details. The German Y has 2 variations in sounds depending on where it is in a German word. It is firstly pronounced like the English Y alphabet, Y, and the second pronunciation is unique to the German language only. And this pronunciation of Y is called the Ypsilon. So this Ypsilon sound is made by folding your lips roundly, as you can see in this image, in such a way that very little air can pass through your mouth and the lips give a kind of a bean or a heart shape in the middle. Moving on, the next alphabet is the German Z. The German Z alphabet, which unlike previous German alphabets is not heavier in sound but softer than the English Z alphabet. The German Z alphabet is pronounced by putting your teeth together, as in this image, and letting out the sounds of the alphabets T and S from your mouth together. Ts. Now, before proceeding to the other 4 special alphabets, let me explain the concept of the umlauts. An umlaut is an accent mark, by which I mean that it appears in German alphabets in the form of 2 dots over an alphabet, and it changes the sound of the alphabet on which it appears. Now, in German language, we have just 3 alphabets on which we put these 2 dots or umlauts. as we call it. Those three alphabets are A, O, and U. Now, A umlaut can also be written in German as A and A alphabets together. O umlaut can be written in German as O and A alphabets together. And U umlaut can be written as the U alphabet and A alphabets together. Now there are two variations of A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut each. By which I mean that A umlaut can have a short pronunciation and it can have a long pronunciation. O umlaut can have a short pronunciation and a long pronunciation. Similarly, U umlaut can have a short pronunciation and long pronunciation. Confusing? Well, don't worry, I will explain in detail with examples later on. Also, please note that A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut have no direct equivalent sounds in English words. So, what I mean is that you will not find these sounds of A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut in English words, but we can find somewhat similar sounds to these three alphabets in English words. Again, confusing? Well, I will explain everything in detail in the further tutorial parts.